Hello everyone. Today's the discuss the applications of the inductive effects. Application of the inductive effect. Last lecture, the inductive effect. There are two types: positive inductive effect and negative inductive effect. Now here the applications of the inductive effect. Explain it. The first application is a relative strength of the chloroacetic acids and acetic acids. There are three applications of inductive effect. First is the relative strength of chloroacetic acids and acetic acid. Second is the formic acid and acetic acid, and third is the relative strength of the methyl amines and acetic acids. Now relative first application, explain it. The relative strength of the chloroacetic acid and acetic acids. The strength of the acids depends on its tendency to the release electrons in aqueous solutions to form the S3I positive. The greater tendency to the S positive in aqueous solutions to form the S3 positives. Okay, the greater the strength of the acids, the pK value is in express. The lesser pK value, the acetic strength is a higher. The greater pK value, acetic strength is a lower. The acetic strength here chloroacetic acid acetic strength is a lesser than the acetic acids, because the pK value is a lesser 2.86 of chloroacetic acids, and acetic acid pK value is a 4.76. Acidic strength increase with pK value decreases. Depends on the electron withdrawing groups. The number of electron withdrawing attached to the molecules, the acidic strength increase. Here chlorine atoms attached to the alpha carbon of acetic acids. There is a chlorine group absent here. Acetic acids, only acetic acids. Okay, CH3 group. Electron withdrawing group here absent. Here electron withdrawing group as a chlorine atom present at the alpha position of acetic acids. The electron withdrawings, the chlorine atoms electron attract. Chlorine atom electron attract toward itself, and hydrogen atom easily remove in a water molecules to form the S3 positive charge, S3 positively charged. And here acetic acids, the proton atoms, the proton is not easily removed in water molecules as compared the chloroacetic acids, because the chlorine is a electron withdrawing groups effect on a protons, effect on a acid groups. Okay, electron withdrawing groups attached to at the alpha position of acetic acid. Chloroacetic acid is a stronger acids than acetic acids, because the easily proton release in aqueous solutions to form the S3 positively charged. Okay, the greater tendency to release the S positive charge to form the S3I positive charge. Okay, greater the strength of the acids, pK value is express. The lesser pK value, the greater strength of the acids. Hence, the chloroacetic acids is stronger than the acetic acids, because the chlorine atom present at a alpha position of acids. This is the electron withdrawing groups, electron toward itself. This is the explanations of the relative strength of chloroacetic acid and acetic acid. How different between the chloroacetic acid and acetic acids? The chloroacetic acid is the stronger acid than the acetic acid, because the chloroacetic acids is their tendency to release the S positive ions in aqueous solutions. Okay, easily remove of protons from the chloroacetic acids as compared the acetic acids. Okay, hence chloroacetic acid is a stronger acid than the acetic acids. Chloroacetic acid pK value is 2.86 and acetic acid pK value is a 4.76. The lesser pK value, the greater acidic strength. Higher pK value, the acidic strength is a lesser. Okay, acidic strength increased by the electron withdrawing groups. Increased by the electron withdrawing groups. Okay, electron donating group acidic strength is a lower. Acidic strength is a lower. Hence, chloroacetic acid is a stronger than the acetic acid. This is the first application of relative strength of chloroacetic acids and acetic acids. Then, second applications. Relative strength of methylamines, methylamine and ammonia. Methylamine, amine and ammonia. And ammonia. Methylamine CH3NH2. This is the formula of methylamines. Methylamines. And pKb value, amine pKb value, pKb, B means power of base, pKb value means 3.37. Then ammonia NH3, ammonia NH3, ammonia nitrogen having the one lone pair atom, here also nitrogen having the one lone pair. Ammonia pKb value is 4.74. Now, the strength of nitrogens containing base. The availability of the nitrogen lone pair for the protonations. The greater availability of the nitrogen lone pair for the protonations, the greater strength of the base. The pKb value express the lower pKb value of methylamine 3 is a 3.37 as compare the ammonia pK value 4.74. Lower pKb value, the greater basic strength. Due to the electron releasing inductive effect of methyl groups, there is a increase electron density on nitrogen atoms, which increase the availability of the nitrogen lone pair for the protonations. Hence, methylamine is a stronger base than the ammonia. Because nitrogen atoms here one lone pair atoms attached to the CH3 group. This is the electron releasing group or electron donating groups. There is a electron density on a nitrogen atom which increasing the availability of the nitrogen lone pair for the protonations. Okay, the only easily protonated. Yes, positive charge. These ammonia groups abstract the protons from the acids easily because the methyl groups here present the methyl group. Here there is a absent methyl group. Here only nitrogens and hydrogen atoms. Ammonia groups pKb value increase the strength of the acid, strength of the base it is lower. Here methyl groups present electron density on nitrogen atom increasing. Availability for of the nitrogen lone pair for the protonations. Hence, the methylamine is the stronger base than the ammonia. Okay, this is the explanation of the relative strength of methylamine and ammonia. This is the completely inductive effect. Inductive effect definitions, there are two types: positive inductive effect and negative inductive effect. Then application of inductive effect. First application, relative strength of chloroacetic acids and acetic acid. Then second application, relative strength of methylamine and ammonia. This is the stronger base than the ammonia. Okay, ammonia is a weak base. Okay.